They've got to defend their territory. But just when they thought they were safe, more trouble. This time a fellow flycatcher, here to challenge the nesting male. The feathers fly as the male flycatcher tries to keep the intruder from mating with the female. In these skirmishes, no one usually gets hurt. After his earlier humiliation with the drongo, the flycatcher hardens his resolve. The intruder gives up. The male returns to the nest after holding his ground in the air. Territory may be the ultimate animal status symbol. It can convey physical strength, give access to the best food, and for guys, make the ladies swoon.